Good day, my name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date is the 19th of the 8th, 2015, and it's 3 to 9 in the morning. I hope you like this video, and if so, please subscribe. I put some bird feed down just to give them a little bit of munchies. This one seems to be nice colour, this one. I got the bright one on the other bird feeder, but he's a bit harder to see. This one's standing in a good position. These ones want to have a feed in here, but can we see him? He's pokes his head up occasionally. He's really well hidden in there. Oh well. And we've got the ground pigeons as well. And there might be other birds that come along later. I'm really getting the best shots I want, but oh well. There's that ground pigeon. They actually got some nice colour on these ones. Oh well. Gonna head off down to the lake today, and down to South Beach. My name is Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.